Leveraging social media, well, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so much more to attract leads. Are you finding it challenging to effectively leverage social media to generate consistent leads for your business? Well, perhaps you have spent hours posting content with little to no engagement, feeling frustrated and unsure about how to make these powerful platforms truly work for your agency. Imagine using simple yet powerful social media strategies that consistently bring on high quality leads, effortlessly boosting your client base. Some successful SaaS companies like HubSpot and Hootsuite use social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to attract thousands of leads every month, driving monthly subscriptions ranging from $297 to $997. Now, you can replicate their success and build your client base faster than ever before. Here is your step by step action plan to effectively leverage social media platforms to attract leads. Starting with step one, that is to optimize your profiles. You clearly articulate your unique value proposition and include clear call to action on your LinkedIn, your Facebook, your Instagram profiles, meaning it's really important and it's really easy today to do that with the help of tools like ChatGPT, where you can simply say to ChatGPT that, hey, you are an expert with LinkedIn profile optimization. These are the services that I provide. Help me optimize my LinkedIn profile, use the keywords, and give such instructions, and give the sections that you want to create content for, and boom, your profile is updated with every single piece of information which earlier you felt lazy about updating because you did not know what to put in there. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can always do it really, really easily. Get feedback or inputs on the branding, the images, the type of images, the colors, and all of that. Get all of that sorted and do it really quickly. So use ChatGPT, use Canva for graphics, and you are done. Make sure that you have some strong and clear call to action on your LinkedIn profile or Facebook and Instagram profile. Step two is to create valuable and engaging content. You share insights, educational posts, testimonials, and success stories regularly, demonstrating the value your services offer. This is important, that just creating a profile won't help. Reaching out to more people. So, how do you reach out to more people on social media? One is by spamming them, sending them messages even if you don't know them, or the other way is, or the easier way is to post content. When you post content on LinkedIn or any other social media platforms, the platforms do it for you. They take your content and send it to people who might be interested in seeing your content, and they do it for absolutely free. Now that's amazing. That was step two. You create valuable content, engaging content, and spread it. Then you engage with targeted communities. You join relevant groups, participate in conversations, and establish your authority by offering useful advice and solutions to common problems. This is really important. So if you're helping dentists, or if you're helping electricians or plumbers or similar other services, you try to find where your target audience hangs out. Where do they hang out on LinkedIn, or where do they hang out on Facebook? What are the groups that they join? And once you identify those, you join those groups. And whenever they talk about a problem, you tell them about the solution. You do not sell your services. You engage with targeted communities and you participate in conversations and you establish your authority by offering useful advice and solutions to common problems. Next, step four is to utilize targeted outreach. Now, once you've done all of these, then comes the targeted outreach. Normally, we end up doing the targeted outreach at the first time. So, what you do here is proactively connect with potential leads through personalized messages, highlighting precisely how your AI SaaS solution addresses their specific challenges. Step five is to leverage social proof. You regularly showcase client success stories, testimonials, and case studies on your social media platforms to build credibility and attract new leads. Then you automate the follow up process. You use automated tools to effectively manage your social media interactions, ensuring prompt responses and timely engagement. But you also make sure that these automations do not look generic or do not look robotic. People should still feel that they are special, that you are not spamming them when you're automating. So this is one key thing that you always should be taking care of when you're automating a process. But yes, otherwise it's absolutely fine. Great. So effectively leveraging social media is your gateway to consistent and powerful client acquisition. By mastering these simple strategies, you will dramatically increase your lead flow, build stronger relationships, and effortlessly grow your agency. So, are you ready to put these practices or these strategies into action? Head over to the resources section of this course right now and claim your exclusive 30 days free trial to our powerful system. You'll gain access to our live bootcamp, weekly live coaching calls, and a premium community dedicated to your success. Start generating leads today and propel your business to new heights.